Shao-Lyn, and I run an organization or a company called Eat Shoots and Roots. We run workshops and programs all around edible gardening, and we help people build and design edible gardens as well. The program that's taking place today is a school holiday program that we've been running for a few months now. Kids can come and they can really just learn about growing, learn all the aspects about composting, growing their own vegetables, eating them as well because we cook the lunch with them. The aim is to empower people with the knowledge and the skills and the tools to garden themselves. Our main mission really is to get people thinking about edible gardening. They don't have to start a farm, but if they just at least have a small patch at home, maybe even one pot, I think it's a good way for people to learn about nature and experience it for themselves, go through the process, understand how it all works, and then they can sort of like make the connections that are really important to urban folks these days.